Bobby just saved a little red bird.
Did you save it?
Is it hurt? What do you think we should do with it? Maybe give it some water?
That's what Chuck said too. It's got a big belly. I love it. It's immobilized.
What do you think? Have you ever held a bird before? This is your first bird? Something must have happened to it. Maybe it ran into the fence and got knocked out.
Two different kinds of bird feeders, and the one that I use this time, they don't eat anything.
It's been eating and eating and eating. So I think it maybe ate too much.
Maybe its belly's so full it can't even fly.
Yeah,
Go show Lexi.
but they hate this sometimes. They like the other one.
There you go. Sorry, my friend. She took the worst route through.
Oh, that's okay. No, I'll move this chair.
Oh, it's time for the...
Lexi, look what your sister has.
What? What does Bobby have?
You want to bite it? Is it alive?
How'd she get it?
It's hurt.
Uh-oh.
How?
I don't know.
What is that?
How do you know it's hurt?
It's a bird.
It flew into the fence and then got knocked out.
Oh.
Okay, well, let me, okay, hold on.
I want to see it. Can I Whoa! Bobby has a bird! Bobby has a bird! Can we keep it?
I don't know if we could keep it. You could keep it for a little bit.
Can you watch the boy for a minute?
Yeah, I got him.
What I want to do is...
Let me pet it, Bobby.
Jessica's gonna save it.
If I'm on Charlie, you gotta...
Aww. Bobby,
Let her
can I
pet
hold
it. Let your sister pet it.
Can I hold it?
Let Charlotte pet
Okay,
it.
what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in a nice, quiet, dark place so it can recover.
Can I hold it?